Have you ever wondered why we keep repeating the same task, the same run? It's the beauty we see that motivates us. It's the endless possibilities that we find within ourselves. And it's the joy of achieving our goal that drives us. And it's not even our endpoint, heading towards sustainable manufacturing. Now, we've become smarter and excel in every dimension.
Show me the technical data of automation.
What are your next challenges? We are already on our way, together with you. Welcome to the global leading Smart Manufacturing and Machine Tool Expo. Welcome to TIMTOS 2025. TIMTOS, Taipei International Machine Tool Show.